Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And one thing I have not been able to achieve, well, one of the things I have not been able to achieve is listening to a long-wave radio. Now here we have a Wikipedia page on Longwave, and it gives you all the details about Longwave. And if you come down here, it talks about how Longwave is propagated, some signals, some time signals. Here's one at WWVB at 60 kilohertz, and then here's some other ones. And then down here, it's got a nice little graph, I'll call you, of the antenna height for long-wave stations. And the only problem is, and I don't know if there's any way to do it, for me, it's hard for me to read this stuff down here. So I'm going to have to capture it and print it out so I can read this stuff. But if I look real closely, I can make out the frequency here. Does say Poland, and it's at 2225 kilohertz, and it's 2,000 kilowatts. So that's one I can hear. What I'm looking for, and again I'm struggling to read it. I'm looking for the BBC, and believe it or not, I don't even see the BBC on here. Now this, I think, goes on. Yeah, here's some more. Russia, Germany, Ukraine, Russia. So you can see there's a lot of them, potentially. But I cannot find the BBC. That is weird. Let's go to the end. Nope. Might be in here and I'm just missing it. Like I say, this print's really small. One thing I think I can do is, I go up here, I can zoom in. Let's go all the way up to 175. Yeah, I can read that. Jeez, it's hell to get old. Now I can read it. So let's zoom back. Poland, Iceland, Marco, Germany, Norway, Germany. Where the heck is the BBC? Oh, maybe it's by location. So we go down here, find the BBC, and here are the locations. Let me zoom out. I'm missing a lot here. There we go. Now we got full page. Okay, this is a table here of the stations, and these are list of stations currently operating. Now I don't know when this was updated. And you can see there's quite a few stations, mostly in Europe, some in Asia, that are operating. Okay, that's it. Then there's a list of stations that have closed. We don't care about the closed ones. They're not operating, so we don't care. So back here, I'm looking for the BBC. Okay, there's the BBC. It's BBC Radio 4 on 198. That's very popular, and that's the one I want to catch so that I can listen to their news. So to verify right now that this is working, I've opened up a radio on Kiwi SDR. And this radio is in England. And there's the broadcast right there. Turn the volume back up.
A procedure against us. During this procedure, we will give our arguments, we will discuss, we will debate. If we cannot convince each other, then the issue will go to the European Court. But announcing the judgment, even before...
So wait, the volume goes down. Okay, so the stations exist. This one, the BBC 4, is transmitting at 198 kilohertz. So there's my goal, to receive that station. And I will try my various radios. Specifically, I will try my SDR, the DX one from SDR Play. I'll try that one. It's hooked up right now to my big antenna, my G5 RV antenna. That's not my best antenna anymore. My best two antennas, this one's number 3. Number 1 is the Mega Loop. Number 2 is the 31-foot vertical. They are down in my workshop. Presently, I have the Texan H-501X connected to those radios. That's probably my best choice for getting this long wave signal. I believe, I don't remember off the top of my head, I believe the H501 will receive long wave. If not, I have other antennas other radios down there I can use. My two options up here is that SDR and my Grundig 750, which will tune long wave. So that's my two best choices down here. I tried the SDR with that G5 RV antenna about an hour ago, and I could not receive anything. So that's my quest before the end of the year to receive on my radios, including the SDRs, this signal from the BBC, which you can see it does exist. The station I'm using is in Littlebourne, UK, and is using a 12-meter long wire antenna. So he's right near it. He's receiving it strong. Does this tell me? Yeah, this actually tells me they've got a couple antennas, and he's probably getting this. This column is power. I think it's kilowatts. So he's probably getting this station very strong. That's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, one other thing is 741 channel, Rob, has told me in the past, he's in, I believe, Connecticut. Don't know exactly where, but he has told me he has received long wave signals. I don't know if they're this particular one. I need to ask him to try to see if he can get that one on 198 kilohertz. Now it's the end of the show. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me that I'm doing shows you're interested in. Have a great day. Bye-bye.